So this is the kind of email signature that makes people take you seriously. Logos on the left, the clean colored divider in the middle, your name, your title, phone number, email address, and your website on the right, and a row of clickable social media icons on the bottom. Looks simple, right? But the moment you try to build this inside the new Outlook signature box, you hit a wall. No table option, no way to put your logo next to the text, social icons doesn't align, nothing works. So don't worry. By the end of this video, you will have an exact signature running in your new Outlook. And I will show you one trick that most tutorials completely misses. So let's go. So before we start, grab these four things and keep them in one folder on your desktop. First, your logo or profile photo in a PNG format. Second, your contact details written out, your name, job title, phone number, email, website. Third, the social media icons. Download small PNG icons for LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, or whichever platform you use. I will share the best free websites in my description section from where you can download those logos. And finally, Microsoft Word installed on your computer. Now, if you got all these four, let's build the signature. So first, you need to open a blank Microsoft Word document. So this is my Word document. I have already created this signature. Now I click on the new sheet or new blank document, and this is my fresh document. Now first, go to the Insert tab on the top. Now click on this table drop down. Now drag to select two columns and two rows. Click on it. Now your two rows and two tables are inserted. Now the top row is your main signature, logo on the left and text on the right. The bottom row is where your social media icons will sit. This is full designer layout, simple but powerful. One small tweak first. The bottom row needs to be in a single wide cell for your social media icons. So click inside the bottom left cell, drag across the selected both bottom cells. Now click right mouse button and select merge cells. You will see my both cells are merged. Now your bottom row is in single cell, stretching across the whole width. Perfect. Now click inside the top left cell. Now again go to the Insert tab, click on the pictures, select this device. Now you need to go to your desktop where you have already saved your logos, your image, your company logo as well. So here is my signature videos. So I just double click on it. So these are couple of icons I have already downloaded. So I select my company logo first, click insert. If the logo is too big, grab the corners, handle and drag it smaller, slowly. You want it around 120 pixel wide. Now click inside the top right cell. Now here you need to type your name, your designation and all necessary information one by one. So in the first line, you need to enter your full name. Make it bold and the size must be 14. So I select 14 here and make it bold. Now your job title in the next line. My job title is Manager Procurement. Now this time I need to change the font to 11. So I select it and make it 11. Now you can change the color as well, make it slightly lighter gray. So again select it, go to this text and make it slightly gray. This is good. Now hit enter, and this time you have to leave this blank for spacing. So I hit double enter. Now your phone number. So I type my phone number here. Now my email address. This is not my actual email address. I am just giving you the dummy email address for the demonstration. Now my website. Again, like this. Keep it clean. Don't add more than this. Less is more. Now next. Now here, what separates a basic signature from the designer one? A virtual colored divider line. As I have already shown you in my previous signature, this line, what I'm talking about here. So click anywhere inside the table, or I prefer this to select the entire table. The table layout or table design appears on the above tabs. So click table designer, click on the drop down of borders, select no borders first. This remove all borders. Now we need to add just one line, the divider between the logo and the text on the top row. Click on this border paint icon, which is available under the borders. Choose your brand color. So I choose orange, as I have already shown you in my demo. You can choose your color, whatever you required in your signature. Now pick the line thickness. So I just pick it, this one. Now you need to carefully draw that line between the logo and the text. So here's the line. See, my line is inserted here. Now that's your signature divider. So this one line is what makes the whole thing looks designed instead of thrown together. Now, before inserting the social media logos, I want to insert the logos of my phone number, my email address, and my website as well. So I put my cursor just before the my mobile number. Again, go to the insert tab, click on pictures, this device. Now this is my phone number logo. I select it, hit insert. Again, the size is very huge. I need to simply drag it carefully and make it as much smaller, which look nice. And I need to repeat the whole process for all these three. Now for the fun part, click inside the bottom merge cell. Go to the insert tab once again, pictures, this device. Now you have to select one by one your social media icons and insert and shape it as I have told you above. So I first take Instagram, double click on it. The size is very huge. I need to again use the corners to make the size smaller, like this. Now hit the space bar once or twice to add a gap. So I make it twice. Again go to the insert tab, and you have to repeat this process for all your social media icons. Now all your icons should now sit in the clean horizontal row at the bottom. If any icon look too big, click on it, grab the corner and drag it to match the others. Keep all icons the exact same size. Uneven icon size are the fastest way to make your signature look unprofessional. Now next part is to make everything clickable. So this is the step that turns your signature from the pretty picture into a marketing tool. Every element should be clickable. So first we will talk about the email address. So I select the email address, highlight it, press Ctrl K from your keyboard. In the address box, type mail to, which is already written, then your email address. Hit OK. Similar with the website, select it, highlight it, press Ctrl K. Now here, put your URL here. So I type it abcde.com. Now here with the icons, so I first select my Instagram, click right mouse button. Now here I need to select the link, click here. Now you have to type your Instagram URL here. So here is my Instagram address. I have to remove this mail to from here. Now similarly, I have to repeat the process for all my icons. Your signature is now fully clickable. So I simply select my entire signature by clicking Ctrl A. Now I need to copy the signature, so I use Ctrl C. Now I go to my Outlook. This is my new Outlook. I click this gear symbol, select accounts. and select signature. So this is my signature. I already named it personal. Now I simply paste that signature. I have copied from the Word document. So I use Control V to paste it. So my signature is beautifully copied and pasted in the new Outlook signature box. Now almost done. Let's set this as a default signature. So below are the editing box. You will see two options. First, set default for new messages. This checkbox is already by default selected. This means every new email you compose will automatically have this signature. And the second one is set defaults for reply and forward. This is also by default selected. Now, if you want the full signature on reply to, select this one. Now don't have any problem with both these options, so I keep them selected and hit save. Now it's time to compose a new email to self, so I cancel it and close this dialog box. So I recommend you to always test before you celebrate. So first click on this new email on the top left. Now the blank email window opens. Now look at the bottom. Your designer signature is automatically inserted. Logo, text, divider, social icons, all are there. Now type your own email address here in the to field. In the subject, type signature test and hit send. See, I have received my own email. I double click on it. Logo shows on the left, text aligned on the right. Everything is beautiful. Divider line is visible. All social icons are in a row. Each are clickable, you can see. All checks pass. So congratulations. You have got yourself a professional designer grade email signature that work like a marketing tool. So that way you have created your own customized and designer signature for your new Outlook. So if you have learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.